Dear friend, I want to take a moment to talk to you about motivation. Motivation is the driving force behind our actions and the key to achieving our goals. But sometimes it can be hard to stay motivated when faced with obstacles or setbacks. That's why I want to remind you of your why. What is that drives you? What are you what are you passionate about? What are your goals? When you have a clear understanding of your why, it becomes much easier to stay motivated. You have a purpose, a reason to keep going, even when things get tough. But motivation is not just about having a strong why, it's also about taking action. You can have the strongest motivation in the world, but if you don't take action, you will not achieve your goals. So I encourage you to take actions today. Start small, take one step towards your goal, and then take another step tomorrow, and another the day after that. Before you know it, you will have made significant progress. And when you do face obstacles or setbacks, remember that they are just temporary. They are, they are opportunities for growth and learning. Don't let them discourage you. Instead, use them as fuel to keep going. In the end, success is not just about achieving your goals. It's also about the journey and enjoy the process, learn from your mistakes, and celebrate your success along the way. So, my friends, stay motivated, take action, and enjoy the journey. I believe in you, and I know that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thank you.